Look at that gray hair. Look at it popping. What almost 32-year-old with gray hair popping like this, huh? Not one. Mm. Hi everyone, I'm Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So, we're in the bathroom. I'm looking crazy. It must be a hair video. Bingo, it is. It's about to be a real transformation. It's hella late. Because I record late and I like to do my hair in the middle of the night. Like a dummy. Like, what's wrong with me? I don't understand. Anyway, your girl is going to a music festival in Sacramento called Soul Bloom tomorrow. Maybe I'll vlog it. We'll see. We'll see what I get. Who knows what's going to happen? I don't know. I'm excited, though. I just know I'm going to be outside. But in order to be outside, I had to get cute. So I was like, what can I do? I took my twist out. I didn't have time to put no twist back in. So yeah, I'm going to try a half up, half down crochet style. I've never done this before. We're gonna see how it's gonna go. I think it'll be great. So I have my crochet needle. I have my net. I should turn this around, but I'm not going to. I have my weave net, and I have 2 packs of the Freetress wand curl braid, ringlet wand curls. I have 2 packs. I've seen the girls say that the 2 packs work. Like 2 packs will do a full head, and I'm only gonna do half. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if the young ladies were out here lying to me. I hope they weren't because it's late and the beauty supply is closed. And who knows if I have time to go tomorrow to fix it. So Oli again. One of these days she's gonna make her official camera debut. Anywho, I hope it works. Okay, so I'm going to moisturize my hair and part it into the appropriate sections, and then we will be back. Yeah, okay. All right, you guys, so I'm really bad at voiceovers, so let's just see how this goes. Okay, so here I have my hair parted and sectioned off, and my wig cap is on my 2 ponytails in the back. I won't do 2 next time. I'm just gonna do 1. I only did 2 because the girl I saw, she did 2, so I was just, going with it. Here I am having a bit of trouble. Like, I couldn't get my crochet needle to go through, so I had to take everything out and regroup. I did a practice run with the crochet needle just to see if I had the motion correct. That's what's going on here. And once I did, I went back and got the hair. Look skeptical. Look at me. Struggling, honey. It's not always a good time. Sometimes it's a struggle. So I realized what worked best for me is to put how do I want to explain this? Look at me, excited. Look, because we got it, honey, we got it. So I was trying to have everything in my hand all at once. The hair, the crochet needle, that wasn't working for me. So I realized I had to go in with the crochet needle, grab the hair, put the hair on the crochet needle, and then try to pull everything forth. I don't know why I'm showing you the crochet needle, but maybe it's just because it's open. And I went down and up. You can't see, this isn't the best angle. I don't know why. I thought I was turning all the way around. Guys, it was late. Forgive me. I'm just so excited. It's only halfway done, and I'm very excited. I wanted to make sure that my net went all the way up. It wasn't all the way up when it was done, but I don't think you could really tell or really see unless you were super close, so that was good. Look at me looking like someone's Deacon Johnson who can't let go of the jerry curl, but that's okay. That's all right. That's fine. That was a bobby pin I pulled out. I don't know where it came from, but it was there. So yeah, just going through, trekking along, having success so far. Really excited about it. So here we are at the top. Still trying to make sure that net is secure. I think we're at the top. We're close to the top. Yeah, we're close to the top. So I'm pulling that net to the front, or pulling it to where it needs to be. Putting the hair around the crochet needle and doing the use, but this time instead of pulling both strands through the loop, I only pulled one. That's supposed to make it seem a little bit more seamless and have the hair fall on top of each other, just so it's not looking like a super big knot at the end. Again, the young lady whose video I watched was The Key Is Me. I'll link her video down below because she did it way better than I did. But yeah, I did that along the edge of my hair so that the hair would just kind of fall over and I would be able to blend it a little bit better. And it worked for me. I thought it was pretty cool. All right, so I am moving on here to my ponytail. I didn't want it too tight, but I did want to make sure that it was secure. So I just brushed it up and put it into a bun. Not sure why I started separating my hair here. Maybe I was just feeling it. Maybe I was feeling like that's what needed to happen. But all right. Still separating. All right, so initially I had saw girls crocheting the hair into the bun. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to try it this way first, to see if I could do it, because ain't nobody got time to be trying to crochet hair into a bun, because all I could think about was how I'm gonna take this out. And it was a struggle trying to take out. But I couldn't get the hair to fall around my actual bun correctly. So this was a trial and error, mostly error, but that's okay. I'm here to give you the real. I'm here to give you the fails as well as the triumphs. It wasn't that point at the top. It made it look more like a horn than a bun. I didn't like it. I hated it, actually. Still playing around with it. Still couldn't figure out how to get it. So I ended up taking that out and crocheting the hair around the bun, in the bun, throughout. It was making me kind of nervous because I didn't really know when I should stop. Like, what's too much hair at the top? So yeah, look, just crocheting in the bun. And I'm not gonna lie, it was not easy to take out. Up here I was having a little trouble, but like I said, this was my first time doing this. So you know, next time might be better. Next time I might know what to do. Next time I might be able to get my ponytail holder situation together to where I like it. But for now, this worked. This was sufficient, because once I had thought about, you know, just leaving the ponytail and not the bun, but I was still having trouble covering up my actual hair. So we'll practice again and see if we can get it with the ponytail. I might come back and do that, but I'm just making sure that I'm getting hair in the bun and in at the actual base of my bun. Ooh, I make the ugliest faces when I'm doing my hair. Why do y'all watch this channel? Lord have mercy. Ooh, girl. Look like a sea monster. That's okay. It's something I've been doing for as long as I've been doing my hair. The girl was stressed and exhausted. I think eventually I just got a bobby pin and worked some things around. I don't know why I left this in here this long, because I think you guys got it. But that's okay. I'm not gonna go back and edit it. It's too late. We're here now. We're here. We're going through. You're here with me. Thank you so much if you're still watching. I think this is when I decided to not do the ponytail, but to continue to do the bun. And so I wrapped it around as tightly as possible. Put a bobby pin in it to secure it while I slept. And I went to bed. I was over it. It was fine enough for me. So it is the next morning. I wrapped my ponytail up with a scarf and then put a bonnet on, as you can see, and it slept pretty well. I think everything laid down. Sometimes you just got to come back in the morning and let it do its thing. I definitely did appreciate the morning settle a lot better. I was able to come back fresh-faced, fresh mind, and really just get the bun together the way I wanted to get it together. So taking some good old bobby pins and just securing the hair the best way I know how. Focus, girl, focus. I forgot what I was looking for. Oh no, I was looking for more bobby pins. I think there's something on my lip in this clip. I noticed it like at the end. But stay focused on what I'm doing. More of those faces. Here we go. So now I'm just kind of shaping the hair to a bun that I think is cute and desirable. The back of the hair is fine. Like I said, everything slept pretty well. I actually wore this style for like another week, and until the hair just wasn't hot anymore. It actually did really well. I would totally do this again. Just getting some of those strays out the way, tucking them in. And I think I decided that I liked it and it was cute. My little Luther curl right there that just didn't want to act right. All right, and back to me. That's it. That's all. That's me noticing something's on my lip. All right, everyone. That is the finished look. I futzed around with it a little bit more, put a couple more bobby pins in it. Hopefully it gets me through the festival. We'll see. So in total, I used 1.5 packs. This is my first time, never done this before, but I think we're pretty secure. I like it. I laid down my edges and my ponytail a little bit, so we are good to go. This wasn't really a how-to, but just, you know, I'm trying this out. I hope you like it, even if you don't. It doesn't matter because you don't pay my bills. But yeah, go out, get you some free shirts, and get it popping. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts for now, unless I turn the comments off. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.